What's up, guys? So I got this tiny little 7.5 inch board today, and I'm gonna learn how to do regular pressure heel flips. I can do pressure inward heel flips every time, but I haven't really ever done just regular pressure heel flips. Did I say that right? I don't know. But so I've got some tiny little, I think they're OJ wheels, mini dualies, I think they are. They're tiny, 40 something millimeters. Got some Thunder trucks, and this is a Santa Monica Airlines board with carbon fiber on the bottom. They don't make these anymore. It's tiny, 7.5, got Bob Marley on there. So let's get into this. Whoa, that was actually first try. So there you go, the video's over. So I can do the regular pressure flip, like the inward heel flip version, like that. I could usually do that every try, but when I try to do just a heel flip, it just seems to be a lot harder. And that's where this little board comes in. This thing just is easier to flip. It's not huge. I just did a double accidentally, so yeah, maybe that's a future video, double pressure heel flip. So to do the pressure heel flip, I'm putting my foot right in the pocket, right where the tail starts to curve up. I'm jumping off my front foot, then off my back foot, and pushing all of my weight and all of my pressure right here. Jumping, hovering over it. So just like a regular heel flip, I've got my body leaning back and almost sitting in this, because the board tends to land behind you, so you have to lean back and sit in it, like kind of bend your knees, lean back, and stay over the board. So when I say sit in it, let me kind of stand up and show you. Like the butt, you're sitting in it, your weight is back here. You do this so that you'll land on the board and not here. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is a tiny board. It's 7.5 inches. So that's much smaller than my normal board, which is 9.25. I have to relearn how to ride tight trucks because my trucks are so loose. I can barely roll on this board. But saying that, tight trucks are a lot better for this trick, because if you have really loose trucks, it just bends there and it doesn't really do the pressure flip. With tight trucks, it really pops the board around. Usually pressure flips are easier on banks, but this is harder on the bank. I actually have a triple flip on video on this board. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.